Hi, this is TJ at urlaw.org again. This is a quick tip email on how to do multiple mailings of a particular document to multiple parties. So this is just one document sent to multiple parties. And what this does, this method allows you to save money because you don't have to send each package certified mail or overnight mail or priority mail, paying all that extra postage. This is just a first class stamp on each one, typically, if it's 1 ounce or less. And then this allows you to keep a record that the post office will acknowledge when you deliver it to them of each mailing. So let me show you how this works. So you would address each envelope you're going to mail. Let's say this is a notice of dishonor to a particular party, and you would type the title of that on the top of this form because this is your summary record of what you're sending, okay? So you type the title up here, put your name information, how many pieces you're mailing, like how many copies of this are being sent out to different parties. Again, this is for one document going to multiple parties. You'd write that number in here, and then you go ahead and address each envelope with the return address. You put your own postage on there. If it's a 1 ounce envelope, it's 1 first class stamp. If it's a 2 ounce envelope, it's 2 first class stamps, and so on. You would want to weigh the envelopes on a postage meter to get the correct weight, and then just put the right number of postage on each envelope. And that's it. You're ready to go. You don't have to do any special certified mail stamps. You won't have to pay for certified mailing costs and those sorts of things. It'll save you a lot of money. Now, you can do additional, if you want it to go certified mail, you can still do that. But basically, this allows you to bypass a lot of that. Again, if it needs to go overnight, then you could write in the overnight express mail number here that you would purchase at the time you go to the post office. So you take this form with all your envelopes already stamped up and ready to go, hand it to the clerk. The clerk will write in the number of items they see. They will sign, and they'll put a stamp here, including a stamp for a small fee for the service of doing this, okay? This creates your record of receipt that the post office received these items. That's typically good enough for court if you ever need a record. Again, if you need to send to a primary party overnight or a special other delivery, you could purchase some extra postage there and buy the express mail envelope and get the number, write that in here as well. Again, then have this signed, stamped, and you get it back the original, and there you go. Now you have a record of what you sent, and you can keep that in your files as you keep track of what's going on with a given case and so forth. So this certificate of mailing form is very handy. It's form 3665-3665, as indicated down here. You can get that right off the post office website, and you can type on it using Adobe or a Foxit Reader type of simple PDF reader. They have a typing function, and then you can save that document, print it out, take this along with your envelopes to the post office already stamped up, and hand it over. And now you have a good record of everything. I think once you've done this once or twice, you'll find this to be a better experience than paying $8 or $9 for certified mail for each envelope, but just as effective. So I hope that tip helps you out.